aspirants of the party. I know that the National Elections Coordinating Committee opened the portal so that we carry out registration for aspirants, and it will close at the end of June. But even when it closes at the end of June, we understand that there are constitutional timelines for aspirants who, especially those who are serving in state offices or as civil servants, in February next year. So I think Madam Awita will explain all those timelines and how she's going to handle the processes moving forward. But we thought that even before we get to end of June, we meet, we see each other, we give each other confidence that the party remains steady, the party remains strong, the party remains one under Dr. Oburu Odinga as our party leader. We had a movement called Linda Ground, and the movement was to consolidate our bases. But some people came, and instead of thinking about their own movement, they came to this Linda movement. And they called themselves Linda something else. Koro ginawa wenegi. Koro 11 OD tuko tayari. I'm saying this because aspirants will be doing their own materials, t-shirts, posters, and so on. We don't want you to create confusion on your poster or material or banner. Iyo mambo ya Linda Ground, tumewacha. We are the ODM party under Dr. Oburu Odinga. So when you do your poster, when you do your materials, it's ODM. And the color is orange. So that we don't create any confusion in the process. We created a movement, but people who did not have good enough imagination went and stole the thing, so we've left it. We are ODM. Anything else is a splinter. And the party ODM is only one. And I say this also for purposes of the media. When we do functions, the media reports that the Linda Ground faction. There is no faction. There are no factions. The party is ODM under Dr. Oburu Odinga as our party leader. Anything else, labda wanajitayarisha kutengeneza chama ingine, hatujui. We are the ODM party. Anybody who's elsewhere, we welcome everybody. When you're ready, just come to the ODM party. Because the ODM party is here and it remains strong. My brothers and sisters,